Hey guys, welcome to my vlog where I'm going to take you along on my first international trip. Since my childhood, I have been obsessed with Lapland, which is situated in Rovaniemi, Finland. Literally, in every slam book and every what I want to do in my life answer, I used to write to see the northern lights. And it finally happened. So, right after my wedding, we planned our trip to Finland and Norway, which is located in the Arctic Circle, and the chances of seeing the northern lights from these countries are higher. Our locations were Helsinki, Rovaniemi, and Tromsø, and we planned everything on our own. There were no agencies that were involved in our entire trip. Thanks to the YouTube and Instagram videos, which helped us have our plan. And planning the trip on our own was the best decision that we made because we could do whatever we felt like with no strict itineraries. We just went with the flow. With this vlog series, I am going to take you through the entire trip so you can plan yours too without spending much on travel agencies. Also, I'll be sharing a full budget details for two people throughout the series. So, our journey started from Delhi to Helsinki with a layover in Istanbul. We flew Turkish Airlines to and fro, and it costed us 1.34 lakh for two people. Didn't log the Delhi airport because it was early in the morning and I chose sleep over content. But the Istanbul airport was so pretty and huge. It was my first time flying with Turkish Airlines and we loved it. The food, the service, the comfort, everything was top notch. After 4 hours, we reached Helsinki and we were informed that the weather that day was very terrible in Helsinki. Our hotel was in the center of city center and the airport is around 30 to 40 minutes away from the city center. We luckily met a Indian woman who was staying in Finland. She and her husband had guided a lot with the train tickets in the airport that day, and they also guided us how to commute in the city center. The station is actually inside the airport, and the tickets to the city center costed us 9.6 euros per person. We were using our HSBC Travel One credit card, so we did our payment with that card only. And once we reach the city center, there are trams which go to almost any place in the city center, and those are very super frequent in every 2 3 minutes. The train in the airport, the frequency of that was in every 30 minutes. There is one app called HSL app through which you can buy the tickets, which is also for trains and the trams. This is very convenient because you can buy 1 day or 2 day pass as per your schedule and how you want to travel. We were staying in the city center and also near to the attractions which we wanted to explore the next day, and the passes are divided as per zones. So we were staying in zone A to B, and all the attractions were within this range. So we took a 2 day pass. We took the tram to our hostel, which was located right at the city center and was very highly rated. This hostel costed us around 7,000 for two people for one night, along with breakfast. Our plan for the next day was to explore Helsinki city, so more on that in the next vlog. Thank you for watching.